Hi guys, my name is Rachel, aka RMP Lift, and I'm a CrossFit athlete here in Michigan. My tip for meal prep, if you don't want to spend the time doing meal prep, I would highly recommend an Instapot. An Instapot cuts your prep time in about a quarter. You basically choose the settings, choose the meal. You can get free recipes, Pinterest, wherever. Put the food in, lock it, put the vent off, and then let it pressure cook, and bada bing, bada boom, you're done. I'm done it with my food prep, probably hour and a half on Sundays when I have all my meals, every single meal done. So this is a great tool to have. Your chicken does not turn out dry because you cook it in broth. And it's just a great overall investment. I use this every Sunday, sometimes during the week. If I'm running late during the week and need a quick meal, this is what I go to because it cooks it so fast and great. I don't have to worry. I just put the chicken or food in and it cooks it in 20 to 30 minutes time. Yeah, so I would highly recommend this. It's great, easy to clean, easy to cook. If you're just learning to cook, I would definitely get one of these as well. So tip of the day, invest in an Instapot.